Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you log in your account in ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application, and after opening the ShopPay application you will get to see this profile icon into the top right corner. Tap into that, and after that you will get the option of sign in directly. Tap to sign in option, and now after tapping into sign in you will get to see this page into your browser. Now you just simply have to enter your email address in here. In my case, I have already logged in my account in this device before, so my email account is already here, so I'll tap to continue. Now after doing that, you just simply have to check your email address for a 6-digit verification code. Just simply check that and enter it into this box. And after entering, it will automatically confirm your email address and lead you to your ShopPay app again. Now after doing this very easy step, your account will successfully be logged into your device. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.